I was visiting China some time ago, there was a young girl named Plum Blossom of whom I became extremely fond. Eventually, we had an unpremeditated romp in rice, and I enjoyed it very much.
I was worried about you, brother, but I feel much better now.
Do you hear that playing?